This is my dad and he's going to be snoring. And he's a bit mental. And he's got a very big nose. Guys.